Eating protein effectively involves incorporating it into a balanced diet, ensuring you consume sufficient amounts to support bodily functions and muscle maintenance. Here are some key points on how to eat protein. Diversify your sources. Include a mix of animal and plant-based proteins. Animal sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy provide complete proteins containing all essential amino acids. Plant sources like beans, lentils, quinoa, nuts, and seeds also contribute significantly to your protein intake. Distribute protein intake. Spread your protein consumption evenly throughout the day. Aim to include protein in every meal and snack to maintain muscle mass and support metabolic functions. For example, start with eggs or Greek yogurt for breakfast. Enjoy a chicken salad for lunch, have nuts or hummus as a snack, and fish or tofu for dinner. Combine proteins for vegetarians and vegans. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, combine different plant proteins to ensure you get all essential amino acids. Pairing foods like rice and beans or hummus and whole grain bread can help create complete proteins. Consider portion sizes. Aim for a portion size that aligns with your dietary needs.